Welcome to Elite Home Tour, where luxury meets inspiration. Get ready to step into a world of opulence and sophistication as we take you on an exclusive tour of this breathtaking modern masterpiece. From sleek, modern lines to lavish finishes, every detail of this stunning property has been meticulously crafted to redefine the art of luxury living. Whether you're a design enthusiast, a real estate agent, or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this tour is sure to leave you mesmerized and inspired. At Elite Home Tour,